Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby. With your left hand behind your back, hop to the right and swing your right arm over to the right, keeping your elbow bent. Hop to the left and swing your right fist over to the left, then hop in place and bring your right foot up and back as you move your right hand over to the right again with your elbow still bent and your fingers spread out before bringing your right foot back down. Step in place on your left foot as you point straight to the left with your right hand, then step in place on your right foot as you point straight to the right with your right hand before pointing straight up. Step in with your left foot as you lean to the left and move your right hand over to the left. Step in with your right foot as you move your right hand over to the right, then step in place on your left foot before twirling your right hand so that your palm is facing up. As you bend, then straighten your knees. Move your right hand from left to right, keeping your elbow bent as you bend and straighten your knees again. Repeat all of these moves again, then step out to the right on your right foot with your toes up, twirl your right hand up to point to your cheek, and tilt your head to the left. Bring your feet together and lower your arms. Bring your left fist up near your chest and move your right fist down, then turn slightly to the left and step over to the left with your left foot as you bring your right fist up near your chest and punch downward with your left fist. Switch the positions of your arms, then turn slightly to the right, step in place on your right foot, and switch the positions of your arms again, punching down in front of you with your left fist. Repeat all of these moves again. Bring your left foot in and forward a bit and extend your left arm straight up. Turn your left heel in as you move your right hand in and up until it is across from your left hand. Move your left heel out as you move your right hand in again, then turn your left heel in as you move your right hand down. Repeat these two moves again. Step over to the left on your left foot as you point up with your right hand, then move your arm downward. Do the same in the opposite direction. Bring your left foot in and forward. With the index finger of your right hand extended, move your right hand over to the left and down, then move it clockwise before bringing it down to the right and behind you. Move your right hand in a counterclockwise circle before facing the camera again and swinging your right arm down. Repeat the first 6 counts of this section, then wait for a moment before moving your feet together and bringing your fingertips together in front of your chest. Move your hands out to either side, keeping your elbows bent and your palms facing up. With your left hand on your hip, turn to face the right, hopping on your right foot, then tapping your left foot down as you move your right hand, with your index finger extended, down and to your right. Lift your left foot up a bit, then bring it down again as you bring your right foot and right hand up.
Tap your right foot down so that you are turned slightly to the left as you move your right hand down and to the left. Lift your right foot up again, then repeat all of these moves. After you bring your right foot up for the last time, bring it back down over to the right as you extend your right arm up, turn it in a clockwise circle, and move your hips to the right. Bring your arm down as you move your left foot a bit further to the left and shake your hips to the left. Move your hips in a clockwise circle as you slide your right hand down to your chest. Now turn your upper body to the left and move your right hand over to the left, palm facing up, then bend your left knee as you move your right hand over to the right, keeping your elbow bent. Step in place on your left foot as you reach over to the left with your right hand, then tap the toes of your right foot down next to your left foot as you pull your right fist back near your shoulder and look at the camera. Do this 2 more times, then point to your cheek with your right hand and move your left foot out once more with your toes pointing out. Put your right hand on your hip and cross your left foot over your right foot, then step over to the right with your right foot. Step in place on your left foot, then step over to the left with your right foot. Step around with your left foot so that you are facing to the right, then take another step in the same direction with your right foot before bringing your left foot over to meet it and hopping up once. While turned slightly to the right and with both hands behind your back, step over to the right with your right foot, then hop up as you touch your left foot down next to it, then do the same in the opposite direction. Do these foot movements again, but move your right hand up in front of you, then out and down. Put both hands on your chest and step forward on your right foot, then kick forward slightly with your left foot. Bring your left foot down and kick out slightly with your right foot before bringing it down and bending your right knee in a bit. Put your left fist on your hip as you bend your left knee in slightly, then bend your right knee over to the right as you bring your right hand up to your shoulder with your index finger extended and tilt your head to the left. Put both hands behind your back again and step back into the right on your right foot, hop up, then bring your left foot over to meet it. With your back to the camera, take a step out to the left with your left foot, hop up, then bring your right foot over to meet it. Do these moves again, moving away from the camera. Extend your right arm forward and slightly to the right with your index finger pointing to the left, then slowly move your arm to the left as you take 3 steps to the left, starting on the left foot, and then bring your right foot over to meet your left foot. Step in place on your right foot, bending your knee to the left. Swing your right arm back over to the right and extend the thumb and little finger of your right hand with your little finger pointing up, then slowly move your hand to the left until it is straight out in front of you. Turn your hand so that your thumb is pointing up, then extend your right arm straight up above your head and shake your hand back and forth.